let's see. There's me. Tornado warning in New York State. Pretty unusual. We're east of Saugerties. Lots of lightning. Of course, we're way up on a hill. It's the forward flank. If there is a wall cloud, it's going to be right over there.
Yeah.
Here comes the hail core. Hope you're getting this.
Wow. Found some way bigger ones than I did.
That's bigger than a golf ball.
That's golf ball easy.
That's bigger, I think. This one is.
Well, I don't know. That thread is
That's the biggest hill I've ever seen. Bar none.
Oh, New York? Definitely.
Yeah, bar none.
A bunch of new dents. And from New York. It's all the other folks who got messed up. Oh my goodness.
I mean, look at the whole truck.
That's what did it.
Yeah.
You think you were just coming up from the south, and you think there were bigger ones down there? You got like tree parts all over your car too.
Man, it was coming. That's what me stop. I don't know if you drove fast. Stop down there. It was crazy.
No, we're gonna turn around and
go south. Yeah.
see. That guy lost his back window.
Oh man.
You got a whole bunch of new dents for you though.
That's crazy. Oh my god.
This person lost their glass.
Can we get in through the other side?
Don't want that to snap while under it.